still shines bright. It's a glint of hope, a legend in the paper, or just a fake trope. I chase the rush of the unknown light before the cards land and make truth bite. Rip it open, what's it gonna be? A gold-plated dream or a dud I can't see? Flip the cards, life's a gamble on the slot. Press my luck in the pack I sought.
Hey everyone, Scouts here. I'm back to do another opening of sorts. Today I'm going to be opening all of these that I got in. These are from breaks that I bought into. Well, let's get started. Okay, so this one was from a place that I have never bought into before. I don't know why he would have done that. This is an autograph card. It's a rookie card from the Colorado Rockies, Adiel Amador, 57 out of 75. Next we have Cincinnati Bengals. This is from Inception, Anthony Munoz and Archie Griffin. The Anthony Munoz is numbered 35 out of 50. And last one from this is from the Jaguars. This is Keenan Mark Cardell. This is also from Inception. This one is numbered 62 out of 75. So, not a bad start. Let's get to the next one. This one has a bunch of cards in it, so this was a good one, it seems. Some of these I didn't... so this one I didn't actually watch, so I don't know what these are. So I'm going to be surprised just like you. So this one we got a DJ Moore, Tyson Bogant. We got a Finesse Caleb Williams from a Topps Chrome, not numbered. We got Romo Odunze, rookie card from Donruss Optic, rookie performers, and an Odunze Optic Blue Wave rookie rated rookie card. So that's not bad. This is from the Washington Commanders. We got Dexter Manley, D'Angelo Hall, Ben Shinot. We got Sunday Swag, D'Angelo Hall, and a Jaden Daniels Finesse. Looks like purple, not numbered though. Not a bad start. Let's see what's next here. Oh, that was really close. I thought I moved all the cards down. Nothing left. Okay, so this one is from the New York Giants. Got a Malik Neighbors, Donruss Optic rookie, Lawrence Taylor, Malik Neighbors, Topps Chrome, Rodney Hampton, and Tyler Newbin. This one is Kobe Turner, Matthew Stafford, and a Blake Corum rookie. And then this is Jaguars. Got a BTJ rookie, and Maurice Jones-Drew. This one was probably the worst break that I went into during this time frame. One single card, Kayvon Thibodeau. Now, this was the big one. Okay, so this is the Carolina Panthers. We got Jonathan Brooks on a Blue Wave rated rookie. Xavier Legette on a rookie. J.C. Horn, Thielen, Sanders, Bryce Young second year. Jonathan Brooks on the rookie recruiter. Bryce Young second year, Sanders, and Sanders. Next we have, this is New York Giants. We have Darius Slayton, Theo Johnson rookie, another Slayton, so not too good with those. Chicago Bears look like we're not good. Swift and Moore. Jacksonville Jaguars. We got BTJ rookie recruiters. Trevor Lawrence, Evan Ingram, Etienne, Gabriel Davis. And then this is Washington Commanders. So we got Jaden Daniels My House. Jaden Daniels primary colors on a rookie. Nice. Luke McCaffrey, rookie phenom. Blue Wave with the with the laundry. We got Jaden Daniels on the Blue Wave rookie, Ben Sinnott, Blue Wave rookie, and Ben Sinnott. Okay, I want to thank everybody for stopping by. As you can see, I do have some other stuff over here that I'm going to be opening shortly. I'm looking to do probably a live for some of the product at least. So keep a lookout to the social medias to see when I do announce it. It is on Twitter at OffTheTopMedia_. And then make sure you like, subscribe, share everything. Help me continue to build as much as I can. And I appreciate all the help. Thank you. Have a great day. And we'll see you all soon.